Welcome back. In today's video, we're going over how to connect and remove Gmail accounts from the iOS Mail app. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of our iOS Mail app series to learn more features from the Mail app, like inbox controls and custom email signatures. Let's get started. First, we want to navigate to our Mail settings menu. I'm doing this by swiping down from my home screen and typing Mail in the search bar. I'm going to click Accounts to open the list of accounts currently connected to my Mail app. From here, select Add Account and then select Google from the accounts listed. Select Continue when prompted and enter your Gmail email address and password on the login screen. Once signed in, you'll see the list of options you can toggle on or off before selecting Save to link your account to Mail app. If we open our Mail app, we can see that our Gmail address is listed among our connected inboxes. When we click on the account name, our inbox and our trusty Gmail security alert have synced to our phone. If we want to remove an account, we'll exit back to the Mail settings menu and once again select the account list. Click on the account you want to remove and select Delete Account. You'll be asked to confirm your deletion before the account is removed from the accounts list and the inbox removed from your Mail app. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video or want to see more Gmail tutorials, give us a thumbs up and comment to help others find our videos too.